In this video, I'm going to go over how to do a South Carolina inmate search, locate jail, arrest information, prison records, things like that. So to get started, go to southcarolinapublicrecords.com and you'll notice quite a few local databases that you're able to use. These are public databases. Now, we did create a specific page for the most sought after records, so anything from background checks to court records. If you go over other records, hover your mouse, you'll see a page for inmate search. So this would be a specific page, and these pages just go into more detail about a particular record search. So you'll notice here you have your statewide resources from the South Carolina Department of Corrections. These would be prison records, and then if you scroll down lower, you'll see arrest information at the county level. So these would be sheriff's departments, jail information, things like that. There is a difference between prison records and jail records. So if somebody is serving more than 12 months, they would typically go to serve that time in the prison, and that information you can find in the statewide system. If somebody just gets arrested by the local police and they get released the same day or maybe a week later, that information would be at the county level, at the jail level, using like a sheriff. A lot of sheriff's departments will disclose that information on their website. And so we did that research for you here also for the most populous counties. Another thing to consider is if you wanted to look more into a particular arrest, because let's say somebody did get arrested, they would have to see a judge eventually. So if you wanted to look into the actual court document, you would have to, and I just clicked on the background check tab here. You can come down and see there's a case record search at the state level. There's also a court case search you can do at the county level. So if you can figure out which county this happened in, you can go and look up the record in more detail. So those are the options, the public options you have available to you. Another thing to consider is the name box on top. And what this does, it doesn't just look at county or state records, it goes outside South Carolina. So let's say somebody has a prison record or a jail record or a criminal record somewhere in Texas or in Georgia or in Florida, and then they end up moving to South Carolina. You're not necessarily going to see that because you're just searching within the state or within a particular county in South Carolina. So if you want to make sure nothing is missed, you want to make sure all your bases are covered, it's a good idea to get that nationwide look into somebody's background. So you can use the name box on top, and it's instant, it's quick, so it'll let you know right away if it has any information. Okay, so once again, South Carolina publicrecords.com. Come on down and get started on your South Carolina inmate search. Thank you.